How to pay off OneMain Financial loan. OneMain Financial is a U.S. company that provides personal loans, both secured and unsecured, mainly to people with less than perfect credit. It operates through over 1,300 branches and online. Make or schedule a payment at OneMain Financial login using your bank account, debit card, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. Make or schedule a payment from anywhere using your mobile phone or tablet. Download the OneMain app. Call at this number and follow the automated prompts to pay using your bank account or debit card. Visit any OneMain branch to make a payment one of the following ways: debit card, bank account, money order, check. That's it. Thanks for watching.